Good morning to everybody. Start class 3 or lecture number 3. Previous classes introduction to complex numbers is over. Then start exercise according to NCERT. Here 5.1 is there. That is exercises. Express a plus IB form. Express a plus IB form for the following complex numbers. That is example number 1. That is example number 1. Express a plus IB form. Example number 1. 5y into minus 3 by 5I. Express a plus IB form. Solve this one. That is here 5y into minus 3 by 5 times of I. Product is there. Product of two complex. Simplify this one. That is 5 as it is. It's before plus minus. Then here 3 by 5 is there. 3 by 5. Then I into I. Any doubt? Here plus minus as it is, 5 as it is, 3 by 5 is there, 3 by 5 as it is, I into I. 5 get cancelled. Minus 3 into I into I is what? I square. I into I is what? I square. Here, because I square value is what? I square value minus 1. I square value is what? Minus 1. That is minus 3 as it is. Here I square value is what? Minus 1. Minus plus value is what? 3. Here express a plus IB form. Real part is what? 3. In this place imaginary part is what? 0. A plus IB form. That is the value. Here plus 3 it is enough. But A plus IB form is the real part. A is 3. Imaginary part B is 0. A plus IB form. Here purely real. Imaginary part is 0. Here writing otherwise don't write. Not necessary. It is 3. It is enough. A plus IB form. Imaginary part is 0. But A plus IB form. Example number 2. I power 9 plus I power 19. Already this example in introduction part is over. But once again I will explain. I power 9 plus I power 19. Convert powers are smallest. Here base 4 form. That is, this can be expressed in the form of what? I power 4. 4 2s are 8. Remaining 1 I plus I power 4. 19 can express 4 4s are 16. Remainder 3 cubic. Here because I power 4 always 1. I power 4 always 1. 1 to the power any number always 1. 1 into I plus 1 into I cube I cube. Here I cube value is what? Because I cube value is what? Minus I. I cube value is what? Minus I. I minus I is equal plus I minus I, get cancel. Value is what? 0. Here 0, real part is 0, imaginary part is also 0. A plus IB form. Correct? Real part is what? 0. Imaginary part definitely 0. 0 into I, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. A plus IB form. Understood? A plus IB form. Next example number 3. Here that is I power minus 39 express A plus IB form is there. Already solved this one in a previous class. This can be written in the form of make it positive, that is negative integer, make it positive integer by the law of indices, that is 1 by I power plus 39. This can be written 1 divided by I power 4 whole to the power 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Remainder 3. 36 plus 3 is 39. I power 4 always 1, that is I power 4 is always 1. And IQ value is also, IQ value is what? Minus I. That is here 1 divided by, this value is always 1, IQ value, 1 into IQ is IQ. IQ value is what? Minus I. Here 1 by IQ value is what? Minus I. According to note, see it a point, 1 by minus I. 1 by minus I is what? Result is plus I. 1 by minus I is what? Plus I. That is here because note 1 by plus I is minus I. 1 by minus I is what? Plus I. Keep in your mind these two conditions. That is express A plus IB form. Sometimes asking in 1 marks or 2 marks. Maximum here 2 marks asking express A plus IB form. 5I into minus 3 by 5 times of I is there. It is express A plus IB form. Plus minus is minus, 5 as it is, 3 by 5 as it is, I into I, always I square. I square value minus 1. Result is what? Minus minus plus 3. Here this is real part. Imaginary part is what? 0. Here imaginary part is 3 plus I0. A plus IB form. Next, I power 9, I power 19. 4 2s are 8, remainder is 1. 4 4s are 16, remainder is 3. This value always 1. Understood? 1 into I, 1 into IQ value minus I. Result is what? 0. It is suppose if it is 0 is there, in this place real part is, imaginary part is what? Real part is 0, imaginary part is 0. That is a 0 complex. Here real part is 0, imaginary part is 0. 0 plus I0. This meaning is same as this. Here this meaning is same as 3. Understood? Here minus minus plus 3 plus I0. Next, I power minus 39, negative integer, there is no value, make it positive integer, 1 by I power 39. Yes, I power 4 for 4 into 9, 36, plus 3, 39. This value is 1, IQ present, IQ value is what? Minus I. 1 by minus I note, yes, class to 1 by minus I is what? Plus I, that is the result. Otherwise, if suppose, if forget this one 1 by minus I, yes, rationalizing denominator, multiply by divided by division of complex, multiply divided by simplify, will get the answer I. This can be expressed here A plus IB form, A is what? Real part 0. B is what? Already I is there. 0 plus I. A plus IB form. In this place, real part is what? Real part is 0. Imaginary part is what? 1. Here 1 I is there. 1 I. 1. Imaginary part 1. That is here 3 points keep in your mind. I square value minus 1, I cube value minus I power 4 1. That is here 1 by I is equal to what? Minus I. 1 by minus I is equal to what? Plus I. Here next example number 4. Example number 4. 3 express A plus IB form 3 times 7 plus I times of 7 plus I times 7 plus I times of 7. This is express A plus IB form. Refer NCERT textbook 5.1 exercise is there. That is a 5.1 exercise in your NCERT book. 5.1 exercise is there. Simplify this one to express A plus IB form. Here start here 3 product is there. Here I product is there. That is 3 into 7 21 plus here I is there. I as it is 3 into 7 21 plus I as it is multiplied by 7 plus I into I square 7 as it is equal to 21 plus I 21 plus I 7. Here I square value is what? I square value is what? Minus 1. I square value is what? Minus 1. This place, this is value is what? Minus 7. Next here real, imaginary. This is these two are real, these two are imaginary. 21 minus 7 is what? 14 plus I. 21I plus 7I total. 21I plus 7I total is what? 28. Yes, A plus IB form. Here real part is what? 14. Imaginary part is what? 28. Clear? Next example number 5. One minus I minus 1 plus I times of 6. Here that is 1 minus I minus half minus 1 plus 6I I6. Simplify 1 minus I as it is 1 minus I minus apply, minus minus plus 1, minus minus plus. Next minus plus minus I 6 minus. Here these two are reals, these two are imaginary. Here 1 plus 1, real part one side, 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 times of I, minus 6 times of I. Total how many i's? Keep in your mind. This is 6i, this is 1i. I coefficient is what? If there is no number, it is understood 1. Here how many i's? 1 i's. Here how many i's? 6 i's. Minus 1i, minus 6i. Total is what? Minus 7i. This is a plus ib form. Real part as it is 2 plus I as it is minus 7. A plus ib form. Real part is what? 2. Imaginary part is what? Minus 7. Real part is what? 2. Imaginary part is what? Minus 7. A plus ib form. Both meaning same. It is understood. It is enough. Answer is okay. But a plus ib form is there if you write. If you are depend upon yours, if you write it, there is no effect. It is complete. Yes, it is understood. A plus ib form. Understood? Here a plus ib form. It is once again. I will explain these two examples. Listen carefully. 3 into 7, 21. Here 3 into 7, 21. I as it is. Multiply by I start. 7 into I, 7i or I7. I into I square, 7 as it is. I square value is what? Minus 1. Real part, 21 minus 7 is 14. 21i plus 7i, total 28i. Next, 1 minus I keep as it is. Minus minus plus, minus plus minus 6i. Here 1 plus 1, total is what? 2. Minus 1i. Minus 6i, total minus 7i. Understood? Plus into plus, plus. Here, that is plus into plus, plus. Here addition, here same sign. Keep in your mind one trick or idea. If same sign, minus I, minus, same sign is there, add it, same sign adjust. In order, minus I, minus 6i, total minus 7i. Same sign, sum. Different is the difference. Here, that is here express a plus ib form. Next example. Next, example number 6. Example number 6. Express a plus ib form 1 by 5 plus I times of 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I times 5 by 2. Express a plus ib form is there. This can be expressed, that is 1 by 5 as it is plus I times 2 by 5, apply the minus, minus 4 minus I times of 5 by 2. Next, separate real and imaginary parts. Separate separate real and imaginary. Separate real and imaginary parts, that is, real parts are what? These two are reals, these two are imaginary. Real part 1 by 5 minus 4, one side, this is real part. I plus I taking common, remaining imaginary part 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. Next, apply LCM. Do you know that LCM? Next step is what? LCM. Here also apply LCM. Here LCM. LCM is what? Here which one is number? 5 is there. Here multiply by 5. Product of denominator. That is, here multiply by 5. Here LCM. LCM is what? 5 and 2 is there. 5 2 is a 10. Convert LCM for 5 2 is a 10. 2 5 is a 10. LCM. Apply LCM. Apply LCM. Then values are here. Values are what? LCM is 5. LCM is 5. That is 1 minus 20. 1 minus 20 plus I times LCM is 5 2 is 10. LCM is 10 in second part. 2 into 2 4 minus 5 into 5 25. That is 1 minus 19, sorry, 1 minus 20, 19 minus 19 by 5 plus I times here 4 minus 25 minus 21 by 10. A plus IB form. A plus IB form. That is, here express A plus IB form is there. Then any doubt? This one I will explain once again. This is a question. Express A plus IB form is there. First as it is, minus apply, minus apply. Here real part, real part. There is no I, separate real part. Imaginary I is present, I is present. Imaginary part, imaginary part. These two are imaginary part. I taking common, this and this. Here this is in the form of by apply LCM form, LCM form. Here LCM is 5, here LCM is 10. Convert LCM form, 1 5 is a, here 10, 5 2 is a 10, 2 5 is a 10. 1 minus 20, 4 minus 25. Denominator as usual. A plus IB form. Understood? Next, example number 7, that is now example number 7, that is 1 by 3 plus I times of 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I times of 1 by 3 minus minus 4 by 3 plus I. That is example number 7. 1 by 3 plus I times of 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I times of 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus I. Express A plus IB form. That is separate real and imaginary parts, apply LCM, then find out. Here next step, 1 by 3 plus I times of 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I times 1 by 3, that is minus minus plus minus minus plus 4 by 3 minus plus minus I. The next is separate real and imaginary parts. Separate real and imaginary. Separate real and imaginary parts. Here real parts are what? 1 by 3, 4 and 4 by 3. These 3 are the reals, remaining 3 are the imaginary. Separate right real parts 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3 real part plus imaginary parts imaginary, imaginary, imaginary. These 3 are the imaginary parts. I taking common imaginary parts, that is 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Here I taking common, present what? Minus 1. Next that is apply LCM. Addition and subtraction in between is there, apply for the LCM. Next apply LCM. Next apply LCM. LCM is what? Here LCM is 3. Here also LCM is 3. Next simplify. LCM is 3. 1 plus 12, 4 3 is 12 plus 4 plus I times LCM is 3, 7 plus 1 minus 3. That is equal to, express A plus IB form. Real part is 1 plus 12 13 plus 4 17. 17 by 3 real part plus I as it is. Imaginary part 7 plus 1 8. 8 minus 3 5. 5 by 3. Yes. Express A plus IB form. Any doubt? This is the question. Express a plus ib form, and the middle plus minus is there sign. Separate for the real parts, separate for the imaginary parts. Here as usual write minus plus minus. Separate real and imaginary parts, a real part, a real part. These three are the real part. Imaginary parts, I taking common. Here 7 by 3, here 1 by 3. If I taking common, in this place is what? 1. Which one? That is minus 1. I is there, that's coefficient is 1. Minus I is there, that's coefficient is minus 1. Understood? If I taking, this place is what? Minus 1. Apply LCM. LCM is what? 3. Here absent for 3, multiply by 3. Here LCM is 3, here absent for 3, multiply by 3. Then 1 plus 12 plus 4, 7 plus 1 minus 3. That is 17 by 3 and 5 by 3. Real and imaginary parts. Next, that is example number 8. That is here example number 8. Example number 8. One minus I whole to the power 4. It's before, here one note is there. That is, we know that a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula. Suppose here 1 plus I whole square value is what? 1 plus I whole square value is what? That is, this is treated as A, this is treated as B. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here I square value, 1 square is 1, I square value is what? Minus 1. That is, I square value is what? Minus 1. 2 into 1 into I is what? 2I. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, 2I present. 1 plus I whole square value is what? 2I. Similarly, a minus b whole square value is what? That is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here 1 minus I whole square value is 1 square plus I square minus 2ab. I square value is what? Minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, value is what? Minus 2i. 1 plus I whole square value is what? 2i. 1 minus I whole square value is what? Minus 2i. This is the biggest form is there, convert smallest. Do you know that by the law of indices, so that is, suppose a power 4 is there, can written a square into a square, same base, power should be added, that is convert express. Here 1 minus I whole to the power 4 can written smallest 1 minus I whole square into 1 minus I whole square. Clear? But here 1 minus I whole square value is what? Minus 2I. That is substitute according to note refer 1 minus I whole square value is what? Minus 2I. Again minus 2I. That is minus is what? Plus. 2 into 2 is what? 4. I into I is what? I square. 4 as it is. I square value is what? Minus 1. That is minus 4. Here real part is minus 4. Imaginary part is what? 0. Minus 4 plus I 0. Imaginary part is 0. Express A plus IB form. Any doubt? Suppose in this place 8 is there. Suppose power 8 is there. 1 minus I whole square, 1 minus I whole square, 1 minus I whole square, 1 minus I whole square. That form express, that is. Here next example number 9. Example number 9, that is express A plus IB form. Example number 9. 1 by 3 plus 3I. 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube. Cubic form. Here which formula apply? A plus B whole cube is there. A plus B whole cube formula, note, here keep in your mind, that is the formula. A plus B whole cube formula, A cube plus B cube plus 3 A square B plus 3 AB square. Here another one formula. Suppose A minus B whole cube formula, that is A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3 AB square. These two are the formula for the A plus B whole cube, A minus B whole cube. Here which formula apply? A plus B whole cube formula apply. Here this treat as A, this treat as B. A plus B whole cube formula. A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Apply that formula, that is A replace 1 by 3, B replace 3I, A cube 1 by 3 whole cube plus B cube 3 into I whole cube plus 3a 1 by 3 whole square b 3i plus 3a 1 by 3 b 3i whole square. That is here 1 by 3 whole cube a cube divided by b cube, that is 1 divided by 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27 plus 3 cube is 27 into I cube, because AB whole power m can written A power m by B power m. Here AB whole power m can written A power m B power m, that is A power m B power m. Here A power m B power m, 3 power 3 is 27, I power 3 as it is, plus 3 as it is. 1 by 3 whole square is what? 1 by 3 square is 9 into 3i as it is, plus here 3 get cancel, AB whole power m 3 square is 9 into I square is equal to 1 by 27. IQ value, here IQ value is what? Minus I, 27 as it is, IQ value is minus I, IQ value is minus I, plus 3 into 3 is what? 9, remaining I as it is, plus 9 as it is. I square value is what? Minus 1. I square value is what? Minus 1. Next is equal to 1 by 27 plus minus 27i plus I minus 9. This is imaginary. 1 by 27 minus 9 minus 27 plus 1, minus 27 plus 1 minus 26i, minus 26. Apply LCM. Here LCM is 27 is the LCM, that is 27 is the LCM. 9 into 27 243, 1 minus 243 is 242 with minus sign divided by 27 minus 26. Here A plus IB form, that is A is minus 242 divided by 27, B is what? Minus 26, that is A plus IB form. Example number 9, keep in your mind A plus B whole cube, A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. That is the formula. A plus B whole cube, here this is treated as A, this is treated as B, that is A cube, that is B cube plus 3 as it is. A is what? 1 by 3 whole square. B is what? 3i plus as it is 3 as it is. A value is 1 by 3, B value is 3i square as it is. 1 by 3 whole cube. Refer A by B whole to the power m. A power m divided by B power m. 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27 plus 3 cube is 27, I cube as it is plus 3 as it is. 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9, 3i as it is plus 3 get cancelled, 3 square is 9, I square as it is. Here 1 by 27 as it is, I cube value is minus I, 3 is a 9, 9 get cancelled, I 9 as it is, I square value is what? Minus 1. Separate real and imaginary parts. It is minus 27i plus 1i. Minus 27i plus 1i is what? Minus 26i. Real part is there. Apply LCM, that minus 242. Express A plus IB form. I square value minus 1, I cube value minus I power 4 1 by I 1 by minus I plus. Next example number 10. Express A plus IB form is there. Example number 10, that is minus 2 minus 1 by 3 times of I whole cube. That is here AB whole power m can return A power m into B power m. Minus negative to the power odd is always negative. Negative to the power even is always positive. Here this solve example A minus B whole cube form. Otherwise minus taking common. If minus taking common, that is 2 plus 1 by 3 times of I whole cube. That is negative to the power 3 is there. A, this is B. Negative to the power 3 is what? Negative minus as it is 2 plus 1 by 3 times of I whole cube. By apply A plus B whole cube formula, do you know that A plus B whole cube, that is A cube plus B cube plus 3 A square B plus 3 A B square form. This is A plus B whole cube formula. Minus sign is there. Minus sign as it is. A cube 2 cube plus I by 3 whole cube plus 3 as it is. A is what? 2 square. B is what? I by 3 plus 3 as it is. A is what? 2. B is what? I by 3 whole square. This is the format a plus b whole cube. That is if minus taking common, a b whole power n, a power n, b power n. Negative to the power odd, that is negative to the power odd, negative 2 plus 1 by 3 times of I whole cube as it is. This is the formula for a plus b whole cube. A cube b cube 3a square b plus 3a b square. Next simplify this one, that is negative as it is, minus as it is. 2 cube 8 plus I cube divided by 3 cube, I cube divided by 3 cube plus 3 as it is. A square 2 square is what? 4 into I by 3 plus 3 into 2, 3 into 2 into I square divided by 3 square is equal to minus as it is 8 IQ value is what? Minus I. IQ value minus I. 3 power 3 27, 3 cube 3 into 3 into 3 plus 3 get cancel 4i. Next here one term of 3 get cancelled, that is I square value is what? Minus 1 minus 2 by 3. I square value minus 2 by 3. Next separate real imaginary, that is minus as it is 8 minus 2 by 3 plus I taking common, first write positive, second write negative, minus 1 by 27. If I taking common, here is what? 4, here is what? Minus 1 by 27. If there is no number, 1 by 27. Next apply LCM. Here separate real and imaginary. LCM, apply LCM. LCM is what? Here absent for 3, here absent for 27 is equal to minus as it is. LCM is 3, 8 into 3 is what? 24 minus 2 plus I times LCM is what? 27 into 4 108 minus 1 is equal to minus as it is 22 by 3 plus I times 107 by 27. Apply minus is equal to minus 22 by 3 plus I times of minus 107 by 27. A plus IB form. A plus IB form. That is. Any doubt? Keep in your mind, negative is there. If suppose this treat as A minus this treat as B, that is also same. Simple form, I will take a minus common. If minus taking common outside, negative to the power odd is negative present. If minus common, inside is what? Plus. A plus B whole cube form. A plus B whole cube formula. A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square. Same as it is, A place is 2, B place is I by 3. 1 into I by 3. A cube, B cube, 3A square B plus 3A B square. Negative as it is, 2 cube is 8, I cube by 3 cube, 3 into 4 into I by 3, 3 into 2 into I square by 3 square, I square by 3 square. I cube value minus I square value minus 1. These two values substitute. If any cancel is there, cancel. That is 8 as it is, minus I by 27, 4I, 3 get cancel, 3 1s are 3 3s is there, 1 3 get cancel, 2 by 3 minus. Separate real, separate, imaginary, I taking common, this is positive, this is negative, first write positive, second write negative, minus 1 by 27. Apply LCM. LCM is 3, LCM is 27. 1 into 3, 1 into 27. 8 into 3, 24, minus 2, 22. 4 into 27, 108, minus 1, 107. Apply negative sign. A plus IB form. Next, example number 11. Express A plus IB form is there. Minus 5I into 1 by 8 times of I. Is equal to negative as it is, 5 by 8 as it is, 1 into I into I square is equal to 5 by 8. I square value is what? Minus 1. Minus plus 5 by 8. This is real part. Imaginary part is what? I times of 0. 0 into anything is 0. A plus IB form. Clear? Here 1 into I square. Eleventh one. Next example number 12. Example number 12, that is minus I 2I minus 1 by 8 times of I whole cube. Here this is write carefully. Negative to the power odd is there. Just note previous. Negative to the power odd, negative present. First simplify. Here minus I as usual, right? Minus I 2I 2I. Here negative to the power odd, negative present, minus 1 by 8 cube into I cube. Now, listen here. Negative to the power odd, negative. 1 cube is 1, 8 cube, here I cube. Is equal to minus, here I into I square, 2 minus 2, product of these two, minus 2, I into I square. Next minus 1 by 8 cube is what? 512. I cube value is what? Minus I. Because I cube value minus I is equal to I square value. This I square value is what? Minus 1. Minus minus plus. Because I square value is minus 1. I square value minus 1. Minus minus plus. This is 2. Into minus minus plus. I by 1 into I 512. 2 ones are 256. That is I by 256. Write real and imaginary parts. Real part is 0 plus I times 1 by 256. A plus IB form. Real part is 0. Imaginary part is that is. If there is no part, that part is 0. Example number 12. Next, that is this one carefully. Minus I as usual, 2I as usual. Negative to the power odd is negative. 1 cube is 1. 8 cube is 8 cube. That is I cube. Minus as it is I into 2I square. Minus 1 as it is. 8 cube is 512. I cube is minus I square value minus 1. Minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. 1 into I 512. 2 ones are 256. I by 256. Really purely imaginary. Real part is what? 0. Imaginary 1 by 256. In this place imaginary part is what? 1 by 256. Real part is 0. Imaginary part is 1 by 256. A plus IB form. Up to here it is enough. Answer is it is enough. It is not necessary, but A plus IB form. Next, example number 13. Express a plus ib form. 5 plus I times of root 2 divided by 1 minus I times of root 2. This can be expressed in the form of 5 plus I times of root 2 divided by 1 minus I times of root 2. Just keep in your mind which for algebra on complex, division of complex. If it is division of complex, definitely apply rationalizing the function. Rationalization. This can be applied rationalization 5 plus I root 2 1 minus I root 2. Rationalize this one, that is one plus minus becomes plus 1 plus I root 2 1 plus I root 2 1 plus I root 2 1 plus I root 2. Next you write, that is equal to denominator. Here keep in your mind, this is a minus b, this is a plus b, denominator. Formula is there, a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b formula is what? A minus b into a plus b formula is what? A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b formula is what? A square minus b square. Denominator a square minus b square. A is what? 1 square minus I square root 2 square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b formula. Numerator product 5 times product of numerator 5 times 1 plus I root 2 plus I root 2 times 1 plus I root 2. Simplify, that is 5 times of this one, I root 2 times of this one. Simplify, multiplication, that is here denominator 1 square is 1, I square value minus 1, minus minus plus, square and root cancel, 2, square and root get cancel. 5 into 1 5 plus I times 5 into root 2, 5 into root 2 plus I times of root 2 into 1 root 2 plus I square root 2 square. root 2 square is equal to 1 plus 2 3, 5 as it is plus I times of 5 root 2 plus I root 2. I square value, square and root get cancelled. I square value minus 1, square root get cancelled 2. Separate real and imaginary part. 5 minus 2 real part, 5 minus 2 real part plus I taking common imaginary part 5 root 2 plus root 2 divided by 3. That is 5 minus 2 3, 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2, total how many root 2? 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2, 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2, total 6 root 2, total 6 root 2 divided by 3, 3 cancel 1 plus I, 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 root 2. A plus IB form. Real part is 1, imaginary part is 2 root 2. Listen here. Division of complex. If you keep in your mind, division of complex, rationalizing must and should denominator. This is division is what? 1 minus I root 2. Rationalize this one. Minus becomes plus 1 plus I root 2, 1 plus I root 2. Numerator product, denominator product. Denominator A minus B, A plus B formula, A square minus B square. 5 times of this complete complex, I root times of this complete complex. 5 into 1, 5. I times of 5 root 2 plus I times of root 2 plus I square root 2 square. Here denominator A square minus B square, 1 square is 1, I square value minus 1, minus plus, square and root 2 gets cancelled 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is what? 1, that is also correct. 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2, total 6 root 2, that is also same. LCM, real part, imaginary part, 3. Separate for the real and imaginary parts. Next, that is example number 14.